She is known around the world for having extremely long nails, but behind those nails is a painful story many people don't know, or maybe a few persons knows. According to her daughter was the one who cared for her nails for years. But after losing her daughter, she made a heartbreaking decision. She stopped cutting them as a way to keep her daughter's memory alive. To some people, it may look unusual. To others, it feels like grief, a mother holding on to the only connection she still feels she has left. Sometimes pain changes people in ways the world may never fully understand. What do you think? Yeah, she's trying to show everyone that says, how does she go around the house? How she actually goes around the house with her long nails. Some pain changes, like I said, changes people in ways the world may never fully understand. What do you think? Is this love, grief, depression, or simply a mother trying not to forget her child? I really feel for her actually, and I don't know what anyone would tell this woman that will make her cut those nails. Okay guys, if you're coming here for the first time, welcome to this channel. Here you're going to get inspired, you're going to get motivated, you're going to get hope, you're going to learn, you're going to get inspiration for your hair, for your nails, you're going to laugh, you're going to smile. So if you're new here and you are not yet hitting that subscribe button, you're wrong. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. So that is how she moves around the house, guys. And this one here, I just decided to add it. Can you do this? Can you do this? I was asked us, can you actually do this in your house? Because look at this upside down standing. Then you have to put your hands on a plate so that you get the balance. Can you try this? She tried actually. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. But till then, please stay safe.